Welcome back. Highly placed police sources have revealed that Edwin Colasso not only tried to manipulate the probe in scrap theft case, but he also allowed the thief and the vehicle used in crime to let go. Why? Police are probing further into it. A scrapyard dealer in Sankwal sends his assistant to steal equipments from a shipyard. A guard watches him while committing the act. He notes down number of the vehicle in which the equipments are stolen. He tracks down the vehicle to the scrapyard where those equipments are dumped. He gives a written complaint to Verna police mentioning all the details. But what does the police do? How suspended Verna PI handles the case? Here is what the department probe says, as revealed by highly placed police sources. Edwin detains the thief without arresting him for the case. He calls the scrapyard owner, who is a mastermind behind the theft. The owner comes to the police station with the vehicle used for committing the crime. He comes along with the stolen equipments. He dumps them at the police station and returns back. Police don't arrest him nor attach the vehicle. Highly placed police sources say that the people who had originally complained suspected foul play on the part of police and complained it to the CM. CM immediately informed the DGP and asked him to look into the matter. DGP asked SP of South Goa to probe into the matter, and the facts mentioned in the story came to light. Later, Edwin was suspended. Why? He let the thieves off. Why? He failed to conduct his duty. Other aspects that police are looking into. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. A tragedy was averted at Keri Thirakal on Thursday evening. A ferry boat carrying passengers and vehicles grounded in Kiranpani, Thirakal. The ferry boat was drifting towards the sea when the rescue operation was in progress. Drishtri lifeguards rescued the passengers late in the evening. The grounded ferry boat was later pulled to dock. Here's a report.
फाटी केली आणि परत पुढे गोईट घालतना अशें फिरवपाक ते गोईट घालपाक ताका कळोंक ना म्हणजे हे जाली आणि वचत लागली म्हणजे त्याच्या मशिनान फरक जाले कितें तरी म्हणजे रिवर्साचे क्लच प्लेट गेली काय आमच्या कुडली गेली ते काय कळना असो पहिलीच फावट इतली जाला एक दीस पूण ते नांगरार रावन मागीर अशी ओडून येल्या पूण भायर भरतेक हे सुकतेक जालो म्हणून सकयल गेली ती भरतेक जाल्ले जाल्यार वयर वयतली आसली न्हू
फेरी बोर्ड हांगासर ब्रेकडावन जाल्ले आसा फेरयर ते पलतडी लोक आसले पळय तांकां ती किरणपाण्यासून फेरी बोर्ड हाडलेली न्हू ती लोकांक ते सायडीसून हे सायडीचे लोक ते सायडीन तांकां साहेबान सांगले म्हणून पावयले तांच्यानी आनी फेरी त्याच्या उपरांत गेली
1-1.5 किलोमीटर थंय लागलेली थंयसर लागलेली म्हणजे लोकांनी ताका आडावन धरलेली रोप ती तेचो एक आमचो तिचेर क्लिनर आहा गवंडी तेणी रोप लोकां कडेन दिलो आनी लोकांनी बरी हेल्प केली हांगातल्या लोकांनी बरें मार्गदर्शन केलें आनी ते आमी येयले जाल्यार पळयता जाल्यार फेरयेंत लोक आसले आनी आमचें काम कितें आसलें नुस्तें लोकांक सेफ करपाचें तेन्ना आमी कितें केलें हांव आनी आमचो दुसरो पुलीस संजय तळकर आमी दोगूय भितन देंवले आनी तशेंच आमचे बरोबर आमचे हे लायफगार्ड आसले आनी आमचे गांवचे लोक आसले.
Reporter Vinod Mehtar for Prudent Media.
Locals residing near the construction site of the new South Goa District Collectorate building are upset with the state administration. They claim that labours at the site create nuisance due to lack of sanitation facilities. Locals also complain that even after a number of complaints, authorities have failed to act upon.
The residents of Fatorda are irked with the district administration, health and municipality for flouting sanitary measures at the construction site of new South Goa District Collectorate building. There are no proper sanitation facilities for the labourers. This is causing a severe nuisance in the locality.
हिंगा हेल्थान तांकां नोटीस काडलोलें पूण तें आजून कांय केलें ना आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीन तांकां सांगलोलें तें मोड म्हूण तें कांय मोडना आनी म्हाका 2-3 पाट मलेरिया जाली हेल्थान देखून मुगे रिकॉर्ड आसतली तें कितें म्हाका कळना तुमी बंद कोताय वो कितें कोताय तें सारको कोताय कितें.
The state government is constructing the new district collectorate building, spending crores of rupees. But at the backside, an epidemic is looming around the residents of Fatorda, with the concerned authorities not taking concrete measures to control the epidemic. There is no proper drainage system. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.